You ready? Jump in the air. Spin in a circle. And wiggle. And wiggle. Hands in the air. Spin in a circle. And wiggle. And wiggle. Step to the side. Step to the other side. And wiggle. And wiggle.
My muscles are like yes, hurting when I wiggle.
Oh, it is. Jump in the air. Spin in a circle. Last wiggles. And wiggle.
Ow.
And wiggle. Good job. What's your name?
Camille.
And how old are you, Camille?
Well, he is hurting
Oh,
when
you
I
did
wiggle.
you did a workout then. What's your name?
Elise.
How old are you?
4.
4. And how old are you going to be on your birthday?
5.
5. And when is your birthday?
May.
May
25th.
what? May, not May 25th. Try again.
I know.
You don't know? Sometime in May.
May 3rd.
Very nice. Are you looking forward to your birthday?
Yeah.
Good. All right.
Now can we